rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Golf. Most of you might think, isn't that just a sport for the pros, retirees, or even only for the elites? But let me tell you this, golf is in fact for the thinkers, learners, and the next generation of leaders. Here in the Masters Tee, we designed specifically for students and scholars who want to embrace golf as a path for growth, focus, and excellence. This is not your average training ground. It's a platform built with academic minds in mind. Whether you're juggling with assignments or diving into your research, the Masters Tee makes golf simple, rewarding, and tailored for your journey. With structured lessons, intuitive design, and expert guidance, our site empowers you to learn the game in a way that complements your scholarly life. Every swing, every drill, every tip, optimized for students. Golf builds discipline, confidence, and resilience, skills every scholar needs. And with the Masters Tee, it's not just a game, it's part of your education. If you head over to our website is not just a portal, it's much more than that. It's a coach matching engine, a learning center, and a motivational space built exclusively for students and scholars. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your game, we can make the connection seamlessly. You can easily find the right coach in seconds, where it allows you to filter it by location, level, schedule, and budget. You can also view profiles, read reviews, and book sessions directly. It's basically like a mentorship, but made efficient. You can also find virtual indoor golf. I believe for anyone who loves privacy and peace, they will definitely enjoy the virtual indoor golf, where you can thrive without breaking a sweat. The indoor setups are clean, quiet, and designed with you in mind. No sunburns, no distractions, no wardrobe malfunctions, just the freedom to focus. Our website is designed for first-timers in mind. Whether you're a student, scholar, or just stepping into the world of golf, we can make the booking process smooth and stress-free. You can explore a curated calendar of tournaments matched to your level and availability. With our guided booking wizard and one-on-one support, you won't miss a swing. You will receive everything you need, from event details, gear requirements, and tips on what to expect. No guesswork, no jargon, just clear, scholar-friendly assistant. If you're a student ready to grow, explore, and achieve more, the Masters Tee is your launchpad. Golf made easy, golf made for scholars. Join the movement today, and just remember, no barriers, just progress. The Masters Tee, built for scholars.